Pollutant leakages very easily contaminate public sewers and groundwater, but not with fast and reliable emergency equipment, FETA sealing bags. In different models to master any hazardous situation. Easy to operate, they do a very dependable job, protecting people and the planet. Available in more than 20 different sizes for pipe diameters between 2.5 and 140 centimetres, FETA pipe sealing bags plug manholes and roadway drains, gullies or pipes in a matter of seconds. No pollutants or vapours can flow in or out, with a working pressure of optionally 1.5 or 2.5 bar. Only 3 sealing bags are required to plug pipes between 10 and 100 centimetres. The large crease-free contact surface of the sealing bags, their expandability up to twice their size, and their optimised surface texture guarantee high reliability in any application. FETA sealing bags are made of multi-layer material. An inner fabric reinforcement permits elongation in diameter, but not in length. The bags are resistant to many acids and alkali solutions. Prior to delivery, all bags are tested at 1.3 times their working pressure. They withstand back pressure of up to at least 0.5 bar. The GS emblem certifies their quality and long life. The same applies to the special accessories, the best equipment for reliable sealing. FETA sealing bags are also used for leak-proof testing of newly laid or repaired sewer pipes with water pressure to German standard DIN 4033, as well as with compressed air or vacuum. For this, the bags can be equipped with corresponding adapters to connect the bags to the water inflow and to the test and measuring hose. The high-strength inner core of the test sealing bags is made of impact-proof polyethylene. This construction allows easy, stable and reliable installation of the specified obligatory bracing. The test and measuring hose installed 5 meters up shows reliably whether the sewer main is leak-proof or not. Leak-proof tests with compressed air or vacuum are conducted with computer-controlled precision. For repairs in cracked sewers, the wastewater must be diverted. Just the job again for FETA sealing bags. They divert the water, keep the working area safe, and prevent any backflow. For this application, the basic bags are equipped with bypass adapters. At the front end of the defective section, the wastewater is pumped through the bypass sealing bag for diversion. The FETA controller ensures that different compressed air sources are connected securely to the sealing bags. At the other end of the defective section, a pipe sealing bag prevents any backflow of incoming water. The bracing required by standard regulations is absolutely essential. Thanks to FETA sealing bags, the repairs are completed quickly and reliably in total safety. FETA sealing bags are used widely in industry and the public service sector to close off gullies and drains, to dam up dangerous liquids for subsequent safe disposal, for reliable leak-proof testing of sewer pipes. They stand for tested safety in all applications, responsible technology protecting people and the planet. To ensure correct and effective use of FETA test and pipe sealing bags, stick to the operating instructions. The following scenes are designed to help you use the bags to maximum effect in the greatest of safety. The preparations for water pressure leak-proof tests to German standard DIN 4033 demonstrate the basic steps of many applications of FETA test and pipe sealing bags. Choose the right bag size matching the pipe diameter to guarantee proper sealing. The label on each bag indicates the minimum and maximum allowable pipe diameters for each bag. Check that the bag, especially after lengthy storage, is in good, serviceable condition. First, the basic bag must be fitted with the right type of test adapter. Here you'll find the ring for the tethering rope and the Storz couplings for the connections of the test and measuring hose and the water inflow. On all test bags, a shut-off unit must be fitted between Storz coupling and water inflow. On test bags type PDK 5080 and PDK 5120, the connections we've mentioned are fitted ex-works. But on these two top-size bags, you still have to screw on the floating bleeder hose at the rear of the bag. The normal air source for inflating FETA sealing bags is a construction site compressor. When using a compressed air cylinder with an air pressure of 200 or 300 bar, you must first connect the pressure reducer. Close the shut-off valve and open the cylinder valve. The outlet pressure must be reduced to about 4 bar. The inlet pressure gauge shows how much air is still available. Connect the air hose of the pressure reducer to the FETA 1.5 bar single controller. Close the ball valve and the safety valve and open the shut-off valve on the pressure reducer. Finally, connect the controller to the inflation hose. But note that you may use only original FETA accessories. When inflating from other air sources, the air must be oil-free. Never use aggressive or combustible gases. If the air pressure is higher than 4 bar, you must use the special FETA pressure reducer. The bag, properly connected, can now be inserted into the pipe, but only after you've cleaned out any residue or dirt. Open the ball valve at the controller and inflate the bag to its maximum permissible working pressure of 1.5 bar. The safety valve protects the bag and the pipe by preventing overinflation. On no account may anyone be inside the sewer during inflation while the inflated bag is still in place or when deflating. To withstand immense shear forces generated by the pent-up water pressure, the sealing bags need to be braced firmly to prevent them slipping out. The type of bracing depends on the type of pipe, its structure, and the expected back pressure. For a water pressure leak-proof test on a round free surface pipe to DIN 4033, connect the water inflow hose to the downstream bag and the test and measuring hose vertically to monitor the test pressure. A test and measuring hose is connected to the upstream bag to vent the air from the pipe. These tests can also be run with compressed air or vacuum. After the test, open the ball valve on the upstream bag first and then the ball valve on the downstream bag to allow the water to drain off. When no more water emerges, deflate the upstream bag by opening the safety valve on the controller, but only far enough for the remaining water to flow out. Only then should the bags be deflated completely and the bracing dismantled. Each time after use, you must clean the bags and accessories and check them for any damage. Always stick to the rules for cleaning, storing and servicing rubber products. Used correctly, FETA test and pipe sealing bags reward you with on-the-job reliability and long life. But remember, use only original FETA accessories. Never inflate the bags beyond their maximum allowable working pressure and brace them firmly in position. Be sure to inflate and deflate the bags always from a safe distance. And stick to the rules for cleaning and storage. FETA test and pipe sealing bags, responsible environmental technology in the service of people and the planet.